come, Daddy.
You're not a roaring.
I'm not a roaring?
No.
What?
I had to watch the bayou.
Why? For me? Here, you gonna watch the bayou yourself? Yeah, it helps if you clean the part that actually goes in your mouth. Now that the bayou's clean.
Stop. Stop, Daddy.
What? Not the finger.
My bayou. Daddy.
Okay, you have to come down yourself. Jump down. Jump. Jump! There you go. You better run. Oop. Sorry. The finger.
Stop, Daddy.